Hi, this is Kat with this week's JDS Insider. When UV printing, primer or adhesion promoter should be used on your substrates. Using the correct one will help your product last longer. Some are universal. However, when possible, try to use the adhesion promoter recommended by your printer's manufacturer. Be sure the adhesion promoter is completely dry before you print. Some adhesion promoters might damage your product if it has a color coating. This applies to some metals, leatherettes, and even some wood finishes. Always have a spare substrate for testing. If it is a custom substrate from your customer, always ask for an extra or a burner piece for practice prints. Knowing which cleaning products could damage your ink after printing is also valuable. Some UV inks are alcohol soluble, while others are not. Cleaning with the right product will get rid of possible streaking from the adhesion promoter and help the item look its best before it is shipped to your customer. And now, you know.